Dog. Kumawa dog. Except Wobbly. Intwana miphume esandleni. Kuba uzocula amakhwaya dog. Engane mifika esandleni. Ebusuku uzoshuba akulala dog. Ugcwala yungena emandleni. Ungagcwali yangambawa dog. Bitch I'm the man of the hour. Sabambeke manje sekumawa dog.
Reporting live, Ngakini, it's your boy, we're here holding it down, city to city. We had the Babs motherfucking and friends shit. We turned up already. I done smoked some, I done drank some. But right now, I'm chilling with the legendary, one of the hardest working motherfucking DJs in South Africa, dog. It's your boy Wobbly, reporting live, Ngakini, city to city. I'm with the legend himself. AKA Putwe Yeg, we've been yegged up already, nigga. Shit. Woo. I'm turned up.
What's good, my G?
Nigga, I'm hot. That's what's up, nigga. Let it be known, nigga. Let it be known, nigga. I'm high already, nigga. Shit, I done forgot some shit. Yeah, nigga, let it be known. Let me peps it up a little bit, dog.
Man, do the thing, man.
Peps it up a little bit.
Let it ease, my dog.
First, put it, dog, I'm just. But you're a hustling motherfucker, dog.
Dog, I have to.
Do these motherfuckers know how much of a hustling motherfucker you are, dog? In real life.
I don't think they get it, bro. I think, like, at this point, people always think, like, nah, this guy is just like, wow.
Man, yeah, that shit, nigga. About the work speaks for itself.
I just got the work. I just went back and
Are you working my shot this new whip? Are you so shot new whip?
Are you seeing this?
Nigga.
That's me, nigga.
Yeah.
That's me. Dog, 10 years in the game, bro. I ain't played no games, bro.
So let us know exactly when you started DJing. Let's say, okay, when you started DJing, when did you really like take it seriously?
I started DJing in 2010. I used to play house music. And then I realized, listen, no man, I can be bigger than this. And then I made T-Bag. Actually, I've known T-Bag for a while now. Even before I started DJing, we smoke up.
Oh, nigga! We high already, nigga.
I was in his Riz and he didn't know who I was. Until he heard me play and he was like, actually, I want to get along with this guy. Cool. And then that's when I took it seriously because next day after the Kaka's Beat Fest set, I played like 2 hours, 2-3 hours. And then I received like tweets. Yo, this guy saved the hip hop flow, this guy, that. I was like, okay, I can do this.
The people have spoken.
I was like, I can do this. And then I just mastered the craft. And then from there, it's been booming. Right now, I got X, I have Vans, I have Jaeger, I have Recover, all these brands.
I see you post like Recover shit, look at that. It's a short place, look at
Hangover Cure.
Recover, it's a Joburg thing. Get a couple of people, that's a simple one.
No, it's from the thing. Recover's from Cape Town. It's a nice brand though. It actually really helps.
It actually really helps you recover for it.
So like yeah man, it's like really dope. I'm working with all these brands right now and it's very exciting. And at the same time I'm pushing like these young brands, like I got Senses here. Yes, I'm wearing Vans. I got some Babs, I got some Lighties. Those niggas right there. And that's what I'm gonna be rocking, man.
There's your boy Peter.
And he thinks he's amazing.
Hey, Vince, Ngakini.
I'm not alone. Many people think I'm.
Say it to me. Sorry.
Yeah, they were
yes, sir. I'm 100% my GU.
Boss call.
It's half and half, bro. Because like I'm playing at Luma at 10. I'm playing at Isho and Tal 9. That's cool. Keep me some Jaeger up in there, bitch. Yes, do that. You know what it is.
Boss call, nigga.
You know what it is. Showcase my dog.
Boss call, nigga. Live, Ngakini.
I keep my knee.
Man, so let the people know first, like, what kind of music you got working on, dog, because I know you do music as well.
Yo!
What's the next single? What's going on?
Yo! Let me tell you guys something. I've been working on my production game since November, right? This shit is fire. There's a song that I worked up with Celestial Mike. I was like, yo, bro, I made a beat. It's weird, but you can jump on this thing. Actually, I'm ready for you, dog, because you my guy.
Nigga, give us the exclusive, nigga.
You my guy, dog. I'm the Lord.
Let's hear that shit, nigga.
Yeah, this dog. That's speaker. It's not you.
Shout out to your boy Celestial Mike, nigga. We need you on Reported Live, nigga. Where you at? Hey, summer vibes, December 2020. Nigga, that's fucking dope, dog. See, keep our next drink, bitch. Let it be known. Reported Live again with my boy Wobbly. So we dropping this single, nigga.
I'm on the production game. I'm winding up.
That's fly, dog. That's fly, dog. That's fly, dog. That's fucking dope. This nigga got me lit. Nigga or something, nigga.
This is the dopest interview he's ever had.
Nigga lit already. I done drank something already. I done smoked something already, nigga. I'm already lit. Don't judge me.
Somebody.
We're reporting live at the Bob's pop-up shop. Try this Ngakini. What's the last single you dropped? What's
the last single I dropped was My Excuse. That was Pussy Egg and Pussy Juice.
That's up there, nigga. Tag up there. You need to copyright that shit.
God.
Nigga.
But yeah, I dropped that.
Who did you work on?
With that song, production is myself and Audio Sims, and then verses Luciano, Celestial Mike, Nolochi.
Look out for that shit. When is the video dropping, nigga?
Wait.
When is the video dropping, nigga? We want the video.
Hold on. Friday the 13th. I'm dropping my brand new single featuring Alpha, Skinny, and Celestial Mike called Umawa. I got you.
Nigga, play that shit. Dude, come is giving us the exclusives right now. You bought it up, nigga, with your boy Wobbly, nigga. Play that shit, nigga. Shout out to your boy Audio Sims. We need you on the show, nigga. Hey. You need to send me the shit. Don't call me. Who's on the hook? Yes. Who's this? Alpha. Very soon. TBA, they're taking over everything, Ngakini. No skin. Back to back, nigga. That's too much, Will. You don't deserve that shit. You don't deserve that exclusive, nigga. Man, too old shit, nigga. Let it be known, your boy Wobbly about to drop some shit. Hey, so let it be known, nigga, your boy Wobbly about to drop that shit. Reported live, nigga. You just got that exclusive. We turned up off the Jaeger, we turned up off some, everything, dog. Hey, shout out to your boy Wobbly. So my nigga, when is it dropping?
Friday 13th. Unyama, Umawa, dog.
Ngakini. Fez, let the people know where they can find you on the socials, dog. Instagram, Facebook, you have a page, Twitter, YouTube. Fez.
On top of that, it's at Wobbly_RSA on Twitter, on Instagram, DJ Wobbly on Facebook. Kota,
Ngakini, don't tell me support you holding it down. Shout out to your boy CeeLo, shout out to Deep Luna, reporting live Ngakini. Holding it down, podcast with the Babs pop-up shop shine this is I would say now. Nigga, let it be known, Ngakini.
My dog.
Nigga.
Umawa dog.